Hey real estate agents, my name is Chris with Sena House Buyers, and I just wanted to talk to you today about a couple ways that we can work together. So typically we focus on a lot of investment grade assets like this one behind me. Clearly it's vacant. I don't know, maybe some people are squatting in there, you never know. Windows have been busted out. I live a couple blocks down and I recorded a video here probably 6 or 8 months ago and nothing's happened with this property. I'm not sure if anyone's taking care of the grass or if it's just all dead. If you have a client who has a property like this one behind me, a lot of times it may not make sense to list it, to fix it up, to do anything with it. It may make more sense to come to us because we work with local investors and we also buy properties for our investment fund. So the cool thing with working with us is you can represent us on the buying side. So if it's not your listing, you can get a 3% commission. If it is, you can get up to 6% commission. So it's win-win all around. We can work with our investors and find them a great deal, or maybe we can find a great property to put into our portfolio. You can get 3 or 6% commission on a lead, and then your client can also get a quick 3-week close and be done with this. Put this behind them without picking up a hammer or doing any work at all. If you have any questions on how we can work together, feel free to reach out. My number is 832-767-8468, and my email address is chris@senahousebuyers.com. Feel free to click on that button below and we can get 10 minutes booked on the calendar to just do a quick intro call. I'd love to buy you coffee sometime, answer any questions that you have. No commitment, coffee on me. It's part of my marketing budget. There's a lot of ways that we can work together. So feel free to reach out and I look forward to working with you. Thanks.